Are you thinking about creating a NextDoor-like neighbors app and wondering how much it would cost? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll break down the key features, phases of development, and the overall cost of building a neighbor app that connects communities, just like Nextdoor. So, stay tuned till the end if you want to learn about the exact investment and the business benefits you can expect. Let's start with a simple question: what exactly is a Nextdoor-like app? It's a community-focused social platform that allows neighbors to interact, share updates, post recommendations, and even support local businesses within their area. In short, it brings people closer digitally, fostering real-world connections. Breakdown cost of developing a Nextdoor-like app. Now, the cost of developing a Nextdoor-like app can range from $20,000 to $50,000 for basic functionality. But if you want to add advanced features or customizations, the cost can shoot up to $100,000 or more. The price is influenced by factors like design, software development, integration, and of course, maintenance. Let's break it down further. Design: expect to spend around $5,000 to $20,000 for UI/UX design, as this will determine how user-friendly your app feels. Software development: outsourcing your development can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 plus, depending on the complexity. Deployment: setting up the app for users will cost an additional $2,000 to $10,000. Integration: this includes features like payment gateways or third-party services, which can cost anywhere between $5,000 to $25,000. Maintenance: don't forget, monthly maintenance costs around $2,000 to $10,000 to keep your app running smoothly. So, how complex will your app be? The more features and interactions you want, the higher the cost. For a low-complexity app with basic functions, you're looking at around $10,000 to $30,000 and a timeline of 3 to 4 months. For medium complexity, expect the price to go up to $30,000 to $70,000 and take around 4 to 9 months. But if you want an app with high complexity, it could take over 10 months and cost more than $150,000. Platforms and regional costs. Which platform will you choose for your app? Whether you're developing for iOS, Android, or both, your costs will vary. A native app can cost between $50,000 to $100,000, while a cross-platform or hybrid app may cost between $10,000 to $60,000. And keep in mind, development costs also change based on your geographic location. In Asia, you might pay developers around $30 to $60 per hour, while in Western Europe, it could go up to $120 per hour. Maintenance and additional costs. Now, let's not forget about maintenance. Just developing your app isn't enough, you'll need to maintain it to ensure smooth performance. Regular updates, bug fixes, and server costs can range from $2,000 to $10,000 a month. You'll also need to pay for services like push notifications, payment gateways, and App Store fees, which can add anywhere from $20 to $150 or more to your monthly expenses. Business benefits of a neighbor app. But here's the good news: investing in a Nextdoor-like app offers some significant business benefits. First, you'll improve customer engagement with features like in-app messaging and personalized notifications. Next, it boosts your brand's visibility and keeps your audience engaged with your services. Plus, the app can become a new revenue stream with in-app purchases, ads, and subscription services. Why choose Richestsoft? If you're ready to take the leap and build your own neighborhood app, choosing the right development team is crucial. At Richestsoft, we have over 15 years of experience in custom mobile app development, and our dedicated full-stack developers will make sure your app stands out in the market. We offer affordable, scalable solutions to fit your budget. So there you have it. From basic design to long-term maintenance, developing a Nextdoor-like app requires smart investment and planning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on app development. And if you're ready to start your project, reach out to Richestsoft today. We're here to help you build the future of neighbor connectivity. Thanks for watching.